Hello, everybody who is a Potterhead into the wizarding world, witches, magic aficionados. I am bringing you the Magic Awakened box. This is, formerly known as Accio boxes, but now they're going as Magic Delivered. And full disclosure, this is not really a first unboxing. I've already opened it up, but I'm showing you what my box looks like that I got this month. This is March 2023. So it's really fun. It's Professor Sprout would love this box, and I love this box because I'm a gardener, and it's a rainy day, and it's kind of a perfect thing to look at on a rainy spring day. So first thing that came in the box, which I love. So I already have one of their t-shirts that's about the tea shop. And this one is, I got a gardening theme to it. Look how great this is. And then on the back, it has the Magic Delivered. So this is my greenhouse, established 1255, herbologist and master gardener. Super fun, and I love this green shade, and it's nice and soft. And like I said, I already have one of these, and it launders well, and it feels great. They're really very high quality t-shirts, so not cheap. Or they don't feel cheap. Yeah, I guess that's what I want to say about it. Okay, then the next thing that was in here is this cute little, it's like a bandage box size. The Happy Mandrakes Seed Company, quality seeds, finest sprouts. And on the back, it says, oh look, it looks like my head is this box. It says, please note, may contain carnivorous, poisonous, and or venomous seeds or seedlings. Handle with care. Super fun. Now, I am a cartomancer. I'm a card slinger, and this is just about the right size for a deck. So probably some deck of mine is going to live in this tin, not seeds. Next, we have this beautiful book. Take a look at the page marker, the little charm for the page marker is this mushroom. How great is that? And it's got this lovely like gold foiling on it. This is Professor Porcini's Guide to Mushrooms in Magic. That's pretty funny, right? And it is what you would expect. It's a lined journal, and it's got these nice little mushroom sketches in the corners. So there's mushrooms on one side, and then there's sort of a mushroom potion bottle on the other. And it's the artwork from the exterior of the book. It's really beautiful. I love the colors. It's a hefty book too. It's I'm not good at guessing paper weight or quality, but this is lovely. And look at the design on the, let's see, I hope this is going to show up. Let me get it really, maybe if I go like this, you could see it, the design. So it's really got a lot of nice detailing. I'm not sure what I'll use this for, but I do a lot of journaling. So this will also have a practical application in my life. Then we have, what is in this muslin bag? And I got to tell you, this I don't have the answer to because I didn't look at this yet. Oh, okay, cool. Gardeners will know what this is. So these are little tags that you would stick in your garden. Oh, it's not going to show up because it's clear. What can I put behind it? Oh, I used the t-shirt. Plant markers. But they've got a real magical theme to them. So that one's a caution. And this one is Deadly Nightshade. So what else we got? Which is a real thing, y'all. Caution, we bite. What else do we have? What does that say? Strangler figs. It's hard to read in the monitor. And then a couple more. Wolfsbane, keep off. And handmade sprouts. Very cute. Very cute. So this is some kind of a lucite, and the good news is that these are etched. This is etched in, so it is not going to wear off. You know, sometimes when you get plant markers, it's like some kind of printing or writing, and then they wear off in the weather, but you don't have to worry about with that because it's etched on. So quality stuff. I have to say that I've been consistently impressed. I think this is my 4th box, and I've been consistently impressed with the quality of the product. It's not just, you know, sort of whimsical and fun and very Wizarding World. It's good quality. All right, and then this is, I thought it was a magnet at first, but it's not. These are cards for the care and keeping of herbological specimens. Blah, that was a tongue twister. And, you know, if you are a gardener, then you're going to keep track. Oh, wait a second. Maybe these fit. Yup, it fits in here. So you could keep track of your seeds when you're planting them with this. Or your plants, I guess, you know, whatever. I know I don't do much indoor plants because I'm very fortunate. I'm blessed. I'm privileged. I have a nice garden. I've got a lot of space outside. So, yeah, so you can keep track of your plants that way. So I think that would be especially useful if you have indoor plants that you have to keep track of, and just the specifics of the care, because that's a little more precious than having a garden where you just have a lot of stuff to keep track of. Oh, what is all this crackling? This is me trying to get into the, there we go. It's a mushroom pen. Or is it a pencil? It's a pen. And it's black ink. Nice. I am assuming there's probably a way to replace this, but maybe not. Anyway, it's super fun. I'll probably never use it to actually, although I could. Maybe I'll bring it to my Dungeons and Dragons game. That would entertain the heck out of everybody. That's a thought. Okay, whimsical. All right, this is from the Pomona Cafe, and it is a spoon set. They're stainless steel, dishwasher safe, herbologist approved. And let's have a look at these cuties. Okay, it's a slide out. Oh my gosh, look at that. They're in the shape of spades. How much fun is that going to be? Let's see. Yes, they're in the shape of spades, and this one has 3, which is an echo of the 3 on the shirt. And this one's got a, I don't think that's going to show up. Can we make that show up? It's a potted plant. A 3 and a potted plant. So let's just look at this shirt again. So it's this information from the shirt. I'm not sure what the significance of the 3 is exactly. Maybe it's greenhouse number 3? I don't know. There should be a spoiler card. I'm just throwing things on the floor here. All right, and now we've got this box. It's a 12-ounce mug made of premium ceramic, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, magic delivered, official sponsor of the Herbology Club. That's fun. The Pomona Cafe. So we've got a Pomona Cafe scene. Oh, okay. This is brilliant. It looks and feels like terracotta, but it's going to be dishwasher and microwave safe, which I would certainly never even dream of trying that with terracotta. And it says Herbology Club. This is fun. I can pretend to be in the Herbology Club, Pomona's Herbology Club. And then we've got this. This is it's a metal enamel sign made in China. And it says, caution, don't feed the carnivorous plants. And look, it's got this cute little bite out of the, let's use my green shirt so you can see it. It's got this cute little bite out of the side. I don't know if you can see that. Well, hopefully you get the idea. The carnivorous plants are so strong that they actually took a bite out of the side. How fun is that? This is super fun. Put that here. And now the last thing in here is this. So this is Mandragora, has long been considered an essential addition to the collection of the committed herbologist. This species requires the care of an experienced gardener and can be very dangerous if handled incorrectly. They're mandrake seeds. And this gives you directions on when to plant outside. And it looks just like what you would get, like a real thing. And look at these little cuties. Look Look at them. Look how cute they are. And they've got different faces. So there's this one, their ears have got something crunchy in them. They're really soft. They're not full-on squishables, but they are pretty soft. I think we've got our 2 expressions. Nope, we have one more. This one. So we've got 3 different facial expressions. We got this one, it's kind of sleepy. We've got angry. We've got this one. And wasn't there a screaming one? We've got happy. And what's this one that I dropped? And sad. I love these guys. I love them. Put that in there. And then they're in like sort of a pretend for like the kind of a planting sack you'd get bulbs or something in, maybe. They are guaranteed to sprout, and they have the shrillest screams. So I think that is it. Let me see if there's anything else. Oh, no, that's it. There was a spoiler card in the box, but I'm not sure where I put it. Anyway, so that's it. That is our Magic Delivered box that I got. I'm on the subscription plan, not a paid advertisement. It's the Magic Delivered, and it's the quarterly box. And let's see, does it say anything about this particular one on here? No, it doesn't. So it's super fun. I really enjoy these boxes. I enjoy getting them, and I managed to find ways to incorporate them into my mundane life, especially these t-shirts. The t-shirts are fabulous. So, and the one for Christmas was great. I should make a playlist. Okay, so when I finish making this video, I'll try to make a playlist and link it here or here or here or something, so you can look at the other unboxings from the Magic Delivered, formerly Accio boxes. I hope you found that entertaining. I think this is a lovely product, and I'm happy to share it with you. Bye-bye.